Hey my angels, so today I'm doing a real video about what girls actually really want for Christmas. A lot of people, especially boyfriends, get very confused on what girls really want for Christmas because a lot of the times we don't even know what we want for Christmas. I put together a list of what my girlfriends actually prefer and what I prefer together. It's mostly essentials, but here I am putting it on a list for you guys. And at the very end, of course, I'm going to be giving you guys some more intricate and creative ideas. So for those of you that want to do something a little bit more heartfelt, so getting straight into business, I do have the first thing that is very obvious for what your girl wants for Christmas. So starting off with makeup, one of my favorite 2018 beauty trends and trends all around is warm tones. And with that said, I'm wearing warm tones on my face today. The reason being is because I feel like warm tones is beautiful on every single skin tone. And I'm sure all of us want to give our significant other the best, but on a budget. So here I am hooking you guys up. I do have a deal for you guys and a giveaway, so stay tuned. I'm partnering up with the Color Workshop to bring you guys a giveaway and also showcase you guys these wonderful products that you guys can get at Walmart or walmart.com exclusively, but only for the holiday season. So since I did mention to you guys that one of my favorite beauty trends is the warm tones, I have this set from the Color Workshop. So this here is the Boho Chic eyeshadow palette. This runs for $4.88. That's insane. It really cannot get better than that. And I also did do some swatches on the back of my hand. As you can tell, there is a lot of shimmers and they reflect really nicely. So I do appreciate that for that amazing price. And here we have the 14-piece beauty clutch box, and this runs for $14.88. Look at all of this collection that you get in here. I love this piece right here because it gives you everything. In the back, you do get a little pouch to put all of your makeup in. It comes with a mascara, an eyeliner, a liquid lipstick. It comes with a matte side and a metallic side. It comes with a liquid highlighter. I love liquid highlighters because I like to put it on before I do my actual powder highlighter. And then here you do have a highlighter duo. It has two different colors. And then you have a quad right here and a lip liner. A lot of stuff for a very good price, and actually use them on my face today. I know it looks really freaking bomb. And lastly, for $9.88, you get all of this full 33 pieces beauty lookbook, and it comes with so much. Like, for that amazing price, you really cannot beat that. So it comes with 4 different blushes on each side, and then it comes with 25 eyeshadows and then 4 different products on the side. So that right there is the Boho Chic collection. And before I put it all down, I want to give you guys a little live swatch on here. So let's take a look at this metallic shade right here. Just a little swatch, and look how bright that is. This is seriously the ultimate gift set that you can find at, once again, Walmart or walmart.com exclusively for the holiday season. I feel like going into 2019, everybody's gonna realize that these products are very amazing. Plus, everybody's always going to love the warm tones, in my opinion. So I definitely recommend the Boho Chic collection. And they also do have 3 other collections if you guys aren't really a warm tone type of gal. They do have a rock fashion for more of the cool tones, a sweetheart collection that is more of like the pinky girly tones, and then the dreamer, which is more of like a unicorn type vibe. I'm going to be doing a little holiday treat for you guys and giving away some of the Color Workshop products. So let's move on to the giveaway rules, and it'll also be in the description box below. So if you guys would like to enter for a chance to win the Color Workshop Trend Collection and a $100 gift card to Walmart, then these are the very few rules that you have to follow. First, you have to follow the Color Workshop on Instagram. Second, comment down below on this video what your favorite beauty or fashion 2018 trend is. That's seriously it, and you have to make sure that you are following the Color Workshop on Instagram. This is only for USA residents only, and to make it fair, of course, we are choosing the winner randomly. And this giveaway ends December 15th, 11:59 Pacific Standard Time. It'll be all linked down below in the description, and also you can check it out on Instagram. So now moving on to the second thing that your girl actually wants for Christmas is candles. So aka Bath & Body Works. You cannot go wrong with a Bath & Body Works gift card. But for me personally, and a lot of girls that I have spoken to, like 99.9% of girls, we like it when the guy actually takes the time and goes out, chooses and picks the things that he thinks that his girl would like, not just here's a gift card, girl. Makes it so much more special and thoughtful. You really cannot go wrong with anything in Bath & Body Works. They have bath bombs, candles, some lotions, perfumes, body sprays, wallflowers to make her place smell good. A cute thing that you could do with that, just so it's not like a big bag of Bath & Body Works, is you can get a little DIY basket that you can get from Michael's or any craft store. Get a big basket, put all her goodies in there, and then write a little love note. And on the plus side, Bath & Body Works always has really good sales around Christmas Christmas time. Blush is also a great option. It is a little bit more expensive. If you are doing the gift basket method, there is some gift cards that you can give her. Starbucks, to the movies, nails, or a massage. And if they don't really prefer on getting acrylics or going out to the salon to get their nails done and they like doing it themselves, a little gift set of like OPI nail polishes would be a great idea. They usually have those around the holiday season. Oh my goodness, and this one's also a DIY. It's very inexpensive. This one is a custom CD. If someone was to ever do this for me, I would actually die. So you can burn a CD and just put all of your favorite songs that you guys have together, like your couples playlist. I would mainly recommend doing songs that remind you of her or him. And on the CD, you can write in Sharpie songs that remind me of my love or something cute like that. If you want to do jewelry, a really good idea to incorporate your guys' relationship is a locket necklace. You guys can get them on Amazon, some cute little vintage ones. And the inside, you can cut out a tiny little picture of you guys. And whenever she opens it, of course, she'll be reminded of you guys. And it will be a cute little reminder and something that she can wear every day. Now, here are some options that you guys can do together. So the first one is a Disney date. You can get a tiny little jewelry type box thing so that she thinks that you probably got her like a necklace or something. Or if you guys want to be a little bit more creative and be more DIY, you can do the little locket necklace that I told you guys. Put that on top and then under will be the Disney tickets. Or you can replace or add on to that little gift by doing a couples massage, even do a couples concert. Whatever artist you guys both share that you really do like together, that would be amazing. You can do a surprise dinner date. So the way that you would do it is that you would set up reservations to a restaurant, maybe your guys' favorite restaurant, and you can head out to Forever 21 and get her a nice little dress. Like I said, it doesn't have to be expensive. Just go to Forever 21. You can get a whole outfit for like $50 and under. Have her rose and outfit all nice, pretty and spread out. Have her come over later, and then when she sees it, tell her, get dressed, we're going to dinner. Make it a surprise, make it suspenseful, and when you get there, you guys will have a very nice day, hopefully. So over here sleeping next to me while I make this video. And then the last DIY is doing a DIY picture frame. So what you gotta do is just go to Michael's or a craft store, get a blank wooden picture frame, and what I would do is I recommend painting it whatever her favorite color is. And for the design or the decoration on the actual frame, a little love letter all around. So just keep going until the whole thing is filled, kind of like in a zigzag formation like this, if that makes any sense. It's just really cute because from far away it looks like it's just like a zigzag design, but all around it's a little love letter for your significant other. And then of course, I don't know if you guys saw that, but I literally freaked out over a fuzz. What is my problem? And then in the center, just put your guys' favorite couple picture together. And the last thing, some essentials, some fuzzy socks or a fuzzy cozy blanket. I would recommend probably TJ Maxx for like the best fuzzy cheap socks that you can get. So that is pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This doesn't have to be for only a girl, it can be for whoever. Please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and we are almost at 500,000 subscribers. Once I hit 500,000, I'm gonna be so excited. I can't wait. Alright guys, so I will talk to my angels in the next video.